Hey guys, how you doing? Good afternoon. How on a day? I still make a very small gist for now. Also, they do this small talk shows, give me some small updates. But today not the updates. Let's talk. Why is it and so bad in the trend for this our social media? Person when they do good content, so when they do, you not go trend though. Make it be say the person who put Bobby for grand first. You don't trend. You don't want that some girls, so let's say they only change their big nyash. You see, so they get enough followers, enough views. We will say they dance just to double our hustle, no views. And the wrong thing they trend pass for social media. And the thing we don't see, everyone wants see bad thing. When when one good thing to happen to you, it will not come. People will not appreciate that good thing you are doing. You just watch, does one kind of bad thing. She say, bah, people that they view you. Yes. Now the thing wonder me how this world really goes. Now bad thing they trend pass. Bad things now they trend pass. And they wonder me. Okay, now see some good musicians we have in those days. They sing good classic music. You know trend. For you know, everyone come and say, I'm a babu, I live in the zoo. For you know, they're the trend. Do not